Page 54, Space Walk. It's the last piece in the book. If you made it this far, congratulations. If you don't have a teacher and you got through the book, I really encourage you to go back and go through the book again and review everything and watch the videos again. There'll be things you've forgotten, things you missed. It's really important you know and understand everything that's been presented, because it's going to get harder and harder. Level 2 just keeps getting more involved. So don't be in a hurry to go on here is what I'm saying. If you have a teacher, you don't have to worry about it, because the teacher is holding you back and making sure you understand all this stuff. I hope. Now, space walk. Treble and bass clef. We got one flat in the key signature, so all the B's are going to be flatted. We're in the key of F. And we have some accidentals, but there's quarter notes and half notes. We can do this. You have a D, C, Al, Fine at the bottom, so you're going to go back to Fine up at the top. The Fine is at the end of the second line. You got all that. Okay. Now I'm going to kind of take both hands at the same time here, because for the most part they're just playing one hand or the other. And there is pedaling here, but I'll talk about the pedaling later. You always learn a piece without pedal first, so that you can hear exactly what the fingers are doing. Careful, it's important. So left hand's here, don't forget the B flat, and the right hand is here, so you're in F position here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest, and then you have a B flat and a C in the left hand, 5/7 chord, and you have a G flat here. Don't worry about what it sounds like, just play the notes. It's here. 1, 2, and an A flat and a B flat. So you're on all black keys there. 1, 2, 1, 2, because the left hand is tied. You don't play it again, hold it down. And then a rest, and then second line. 1, 2, 3, rest, and again, here. Chord, third line, you're coming down here. There's no rest or anything. You're here, and you're simply going to move up. Here, it's like taking a breath here. We want a little silence anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and leave the right hand where it is. It's the left hand you move down, and as the left hand plays, then you can move the right hand down. So you're moving the hands one at a time. So you're 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and during the right hand playing, the left hand comes up one note, and the right hand comes up one note as the left hand plays, and then again left hand goes back down, right hand goes down, you're moving around here, and the left hand goes down again. That's what it, F sharp, G sharp, that's what they said. Rest, and then you're going to go back to the top. Well, you want left hand again. You have one beat rest. You're simply going to lift up and move back up. So you're going 1, 2, 3, rest. So you can move during the rest here. Just work it out so there's no hesitations anywhere. Nice and slow is fine, but it's got to be steady. Then we can put in these slurs. Just connect everything. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. So just connect everything, because there's a rest in between each slur. You have to lift up until the end of the second line. There's no rest. You just lift up. It's like a breath there. So that's fine. You have to lift up to move, so okay. Dynamics is moderately loud as both hands. It starts out in the first, whatever you think moderately loud is. And in the third measure, it's the right hand. These chords got to be soft in the background. And then both hands, and then it's the right hand. In the third line, you go down to moderately soft, just a little softer. Stay there. You're staying moderately soft for the last 10. Okay, that's the dynamics. Speed-wise, eerily, whatever that is, it's mysteriously or eerily, or you're walking through a strange area, you're not sure what's going on, and I don't know. Maybe that's too fast for your eerily. You want to go slow or eerily. See? And then once you can do that all right, you're holding, the fingers are doing everything they need to do, then we add the pedal. Because you will need to hear very carefully, listen very carefully to the effect the pedal has to the sound. So you learn it without pedal first. So when you add pedal, you can hear the difference. And we're going to pedal right after we play the note. So it's here. I'm going to lift the pedal up with the hand in the second major on beat 4. Again. And don't pedal this. See, that's the contrast. We like contrast in music. We're supposed to like it. It's just one, you have a really blurry, smooth, and then it's clean, and then a blurry, and then it's clean. That's kind of a nice effect. But each time, I'm going to push the note down first. Second line. And I can hold it down for that, for the whole note at the end, and then lift it up with the hands. The idea on the pedal. Just pedal it the way they're showing. Don't pedal anything else. But listen to that difference in sound when you have the pedal down is when you don't have it down. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check all the notes and rhythms and things. I'm not going to do any dynamics, but I will do the pedaling. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just go over it slowly. And we are going to do the DC and the Fine thing too. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.